Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. Fine, students. So let's start the discussion. So today's class, we are talking about last class. I already completed what my class will do and what will be the course content. What will be the course content of this full stack Python? All those things I just discussed in the last session. And today's session, we are talking about what are the various real-time applications? What are the various real-time applications developed by using Python programming? What are the various real-time applications developed by using real-time applications? I just want to discuss. This is my present agenda. So carefully look into that. So the students who are in the online, Meghana is saying that voice was breaking. I hope my voice is very clear. Students in online, may I know once, can you respond? Is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear? Okay. Meghana, if you have any such problem, you please relog in again. Right, guys? Now let us start. And in this class, may I know who is a new students today? Only today. Only today. Only today who are attending? Okay. In this today's students, who are the CSC students who are attending today? CSC, who are attending only today, CSC students. Today only CSC students. Those who raised their hand today, only CSC students. CSC. Can you stand up once? Now I'd like to ask one small question. Now the small question, what is OS? Quickly. First. What is OS? Come on. Operating system. Okay. What is www? Come on. Come on. Not saying. World Wide Web. Okay. Very good. Are you gold medalist from your college? Huh? Next. What is DBMS? You're all gold medalists, right? So, you know only full forms, don't know anything, subject. Why I will ask like this is, Shida, when you say full forms, they are just wasted. They are just wasted. No jobs will be coming. It's damn sure. Dear students, and you don't feel that when I'm asking this question, don't feel that anybody says full forms, that is one of the worst. We have to tell all real-time kind of examples. So don't worry, because any person who is at the student time, you will be saying only full forms like what yesterday also I have some questions. Yesterday, whether yesterday student is there or not, I don't know. Maybe that student is not there. Is there? Oh, yes, you are there. Okay, you changed your place. So today again sitting there, sir may catch the same person. Don't worry, my dear student. Well, if I don't ask, who will ask questions, correct? No issue. So now I'm going to utilize, start this. And those who are new members in my class, just for 2 to 3 minutes, I'll just show you what will be the content which I shown in the yesterday's class so that they'll also carry forward. Today, I'm introducing my actual subject content. And those who, the students who are in the first day, we are giving the first few days, we are giving about YouTube link also we are giving it. Yesterday, suppose if you miss it, we are giving the link of that first day. The admin, Mr. Shubham, you give the notes link also. Google Drive link also you try to post it so that all of you students try to remember. Today I'm giving notes link also. How the notes mechanism in my class. Whatever I'm explaining, full-fledged notes I will type it in the class with the help of your logics. Complete notes I will give you. Almost it reaches to 500, 600 pages notes. I'll be explaining in the class. I'll type it. By showing the program, I will type the total content. That notes I will give you day to day. Suppose if I complete today some concept, that notes I'll send it to you. It reaches to your mail ID directly. So what you do after going to home, you will download that notes, and you'll open the notes, and you will write the notes and programs. Programs also I will send along with that. Okay, na? So need not write the notes in the class, but you need to bring the notes to the class, because I will tell you some use cases, assignments, and everything I'll tell you. So don't think that it is like our college. It is going to be some modern approach. I will use it in the class. That's why yesterday I shown you Google Classroom, separate link, Google link, separate link. So offline students, if you want that notes to get it, and outside there is one scanner is there. If you scan it, you'll be joining in my Google link, and you'll get my notes on the spot. The moment when you get down the steps, you will be getting my notes to you. Okay, na? Shall I move to the further? Right. So students, online students, the notes link will come, and that notes link also I'll be sharing to you people. Shubham, you please try to share that notes link so that I will be continuing my session. Yesterday's class, what I just spoke to the students, in the first day, I created one folder, KVR Python. In the first day, I just said some index about myself, explained for 2 minutes about the course modules, what I'm covering as a part of full stack Python, and what will be the highlights of my class, I said, and what are the prerequisites for learning this Python course and full stack Python, what students must do to get the job in the industry by learning this full stack Python, what are the various jobs available in the industry, which I shown you in the class, and daily it is an ongoing and continuous process. Doubts clarification of online students at the end of the class. It is a daily, this will be done not only one day, it is a daily from the day one to what? Last day of the session. Last day of the session. For all the students, before the class, I'll clarify your doubts. After the end of the class, I'll clarify the online students' doubts. This is my style of the class. And what is the most important here is, what are the various modules available in Python? This is what I'm going to discuss. Let me open it. In this full stack Python module, in this full stack Python course, this is a job oriented course we designed according to our experiences in the software industry. And the module one, which is the backbone for Python programming, is Python programming is the first module. In that sub modules, core Python, all real-time applications and programs by topic wise. Yesterday I shown you 700 question banks, question bank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and topic wise MCQs. And next is called what? Topic wise case studies. Topic wise case studies. These are the things in core Python. Every topic I'll show. Next is called advanced Python. There also real-time applications and programs on the topic wise, and a topic wise MCQs and a topic wise case studies. As we discuss in the core Python, advanced Python also same thing. This topic especially having in my class only, because since I'm from the industry, in industry, what are the various MCQs will come and how to qualify that, how to go for the system test, what type of applications or programs will come. I designed question bank 1, question bank 2, etc. And I shown yesterday only the 7 question banks are there. Each question bank contains 100 questions. And Python for data science as a part of Python programming. After learning only Python programming, when we go for a data science level, there I am talking about a NumPy. Is the most popular module in data science level. We talk about the same tendency here also. Next is pandas. There also we discussed the same mechanism. And matplotlib, same thing. These are the most popular modules for data science. This is a backbone for learning full stack Python. There I'm talking about module 1. Under that, there's a full length module. It's a backbone for it. It's a very complicated language. And such a complicated language in the sense I'm talking about all real-time applications. And today I will start that. Now I'm going to enter into the second module, which is easy. So Srikanth is asking what is MCQs. Don't know MCQs? So Srikanth is getting a doubt. What is MCQs? I'm feeling strange. Multiple choice questions. Like a student, I'm also saying full forms. Full forms. Actually, multiple choice questions. Right. Now, Srikanth. Okay. Module 2, UI technologies. There we discuss HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular. Module 3, web frameworks, Django, Flask, REST API. This is the other one. After Python programming is completed, Django is another part. Module 3 is important. Module 4, databases. MySQL will train and then MongoDB will train. Online students, my dear students, online students, all of you must have a small request for everybody. For you people, there is one link came, my dear students, all the students in the online, there is one link came. That link is a notes related link, my dear students. Take that link, take that link, all of you. If you click on that link, you will be getting the notes on day-to-day basis. This link is available for 1 week. After 1 week, we'll go for another authorized link we will give you. Authorized link for the final students who are registered in this batch. They will be getting the notes separately. Up to 1 week, everybody will get it free of cost. There is nothing is there. Now, this is the notes related link. Online students, if we click on that, you will be getting my notes to you people. Online students, offline students. This one, after the class is over, to the walls, they put one scanner. You just scan it, you'll get my notes. Okay, na? Regarding the notes, which is clear. And this is the one. Now, coming to the point of it, Shrestha, I did not post the notes so far, ma. Today I'm going to post the notes. Okay, na? Today only I'm going to post the notes. Today onwards, I'm going to post the notes. Today onwards, I'm going to post the notes. I'm going to post. So I'm going to post. So the moment when you click now itself, don't think the total notes is available. We don't give total notes. Example, when you joined B.Tech first year, total textbooks you will buy. Will you learn everything? You never touch the textbook also. The open fact. So our training is so different. You see that yesterday only I said again and again, I don't want to say, we'll make you diamond. You will see that. And you remember my word. Sir said this word. Come to this point. In this place, module number 4. Module 4. This is the one. Here I am going to say. Module number 5. Here in this module number 4, databases. Module number 5, Git, GitHub, testing techniques, and cloud fundamentals. Next is called what? Cloud fundamentals, resume building, and mock interviews. Mock interviews. These are the module 5 we are going to discuss. So 5 modules are there. 5 parts are there in where? Full stack Python. This is a job oriented kind of course. To work in the software industry, these are the parts we have to learn it. Okay. Now, only Python you can learn. From Python, you can go to where? Another route is there. We can learn data science also. For full stack data science, for full stack Python, Python module is going to be same. Without Python, we can't learn any of the things nowadays. Yesterday I shown the popularity of the Python in the software industry. Come to the point, students. So, Shubham, Somebody is saying link cannot open notes. So I did not post the notes. I already said, Akram Khan, I did not post the notes so far. First, after the class, notes will be posted. Now I did not post any notes. Notes will be posted after the class. After that, I said, prerequisite for learning full stack Python for getting the job. You need not to know what C, C++, Java, nothing. If you are just a dummy. Of course, yesterday I asked a question, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 was your talent, 0 to 9. You only said that your talent is okay. So I'm feeling little heavy for that by listening that word 0. So my B.Tech student, CSC student has to say, what is your knowledge? 0 to 9. 9 0 5 is fearing a lot. So 0 means don't know anything except full forms. No subject knowledge, no real-time knowledge, no programming knowledge. That's called 0 only. Not only you, overall, except NIT, except IIT, except triple IT, this you remove it. 10% you remove, rest of the 90% is a question mark now. That is what we are going to work for you. So to reach to them, this is what we are working for it. Especially my classes of branding for Python. And I written here, need not to know anything. I'm going to say, I will make you master or expert in coding. All the students in the online, I'm going to say, all your doubts will be clarified at the end of the class. Sham K, my dear student, please wait at the end of the class. I'll clarify. In the middle of the class, if I talk now, we are distracting from the class. That's why, my dear students, at the end of the class, I will clarify your doubts. I'll keep today half an hour time for clarifying your doubts. My dear students, please listen class carefully. I will reply. Sham, my dear student, at the end of the class, I will reply. Okay, my dear student, let me move to the further. I'll make you expert. I wrote it. I just recorded also. I saved it also. Why? Every weekly once I will show. Weekly once I will show. Remember my things. Recording is also there. That also I will keep it. I'll make you perfect, master, expert in coding, provided, can I teach subject, I'll make you perfect, provided student must be punctual in attending classes. You have to attend my classes punctually. Come in, Ma. One day coming, look at on the screen. Don't look at on the screen. You are still working like a college only. Already college is over, 23 years over. Somebody coming, watching here and there. Who is that? Already college is over. Sit properly. Don't sit like a park passenger. So, student must attend the classes punctually. One day coming, 4 days coming, like that. If you become supervisor, you will become senior citizen. You will not become a subject holder. Number 2, student must read and write the notes what KVR sent. I'm the KVR here. Yesterday I gave my introduction. Now student must practice the programs which I'm discussing in the class, that are all use cases and everything. I said how many questions in my class. So if you want to become a software developer, you must know how to write the coding. That coding you need not to fear. Generally student will fear a lot when coding comes in front of you. Dear students, again I'm saying, I'll make you just expert, provided these 3 things if you do it. Because this student only has to do it. Faculty cannot do that. Faculty will make you to get perfection in my subject. Keep this in your mind and try to work out. And to get the job in the industry, you must be a graduate of any of this. Any graduate without any knowledge, no problem. Like dummy student. Like I asked yesterday 1 or 2 questions. Today also I asked some questions. And if I ask next question, you will not come tomorrow to my class. So tomorrow, if interview is there, interviewer question will ask, will you go to interview or not? Compulsory we have to go interview. That you practice in my class, I'm saying. Okay, this is what I said. Now I'm entering into my today's lecture. What is my today's lecture? Real-time applications developed by using Python programming. Shall we start up? Well, students, online students, today. So something student is asking, Joel, how much is the fees, sir. My dear student, don't worry about the fees. Once again, I am saying to you, don't worry about the fees. In my class, first priority is how much deeply I explain the subject. You ask me first. Fees later. Fees don't pay immediately. Keep it in the bag first. Don't believe anybody first. First, see the syllabus which I am covering in the class. Don't pay the money now itself. Listen the classes. Attend the classes. Attend all the classes. Attend my class. Compare. I'll show my syllabus also. 70% more than ever institute. Even IIT syllabus you download, NIT syllabus, NH syllabus you download. Take my syllabus. Have a comparison. Listen all the classes. Listen my class also. Then decide. That is my request for everybody. Don't worry about the fees. Okay, na? And now I'm going to say, I'll move to the further. Okay, Joel? Now, coming to the point of it, I'm going to start. All the students in online, please listen carefully. Now I'm starting my session. I'm going to show you the top world-class companies Python uses. When world-class companies Python uses, the service-based companies, project-based companies, automatically Python will be followed. Coming 30 years only with Python, just to make it granted. Yesterday I shown you one ranking kind of thing. So now I'm going to show you once again TIOB index. It is a software quality company. It is a software quality company. I'm opening it and see here, my dear students. Here it is a software quality company. Every month they will conduct the survey and observe it. This is a ranking, and I made it yesterday. Python is ahead of every language. 4.5% ahead of the rest of the languages. Is it not more than enough to say Python is a ranked #1 language? Originally, I'm a Java professional. And so many years, I said my years of experience. And from the last 10 years onwards, I'm dealing with the Python. So I said Python is ranked #1 language. Ranked #1 language. Next ranking is what? C language. And don't think that your C language and this C language is simple, different. Your C language is your college C language. That is called, I named it college C language. Company C language is no. You are not fit for even to enter into the first step of it. Why, sir? I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. And don't feel because of that. Because I speak only facts. That are the facts. C++ is a third, last year 4, now it is a third. Java is in 4th and going down. And if you tell to Java student, your Java is going down, you cannot digest that. You'll try to do something. You open this web page and show. You don't tell anything, you just show this. Are you following me? This is the one. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. There is one more thing I will show you, my dear students. Statistical times. There is one more thing called what? Statistical times. Statistics times. It is also one of the journal. It is also one of the journal. Top programming languages in 2024. This is what you have to see practically. What somebody says, don't believe. If somebody shows practically, then only believe. First you apply in my class. Whatever I am explaining, you ask me, sir, show me the proof. Then only I want to believe it. Being a senior most faculty member, I should show for everything proof. Tomorrow, if I go to an interview, you go to an interview with a laptop. When you go to an interview, sit in front of the interviewer, open the laptop. Whatever is asking, answer that questions with your programming knowledge. That is called reality. If he asks something, if he say orally, he is saying something, you are saying something, whether it is correct or not, there only conflict will come. If whatever is asking, if you show in the programming, that sends the matter. If you are having subject, you will show. Otherwise, you are out of order. Quality is there, you will select. Otherwise, no. That quality will come only due to the faculty. Good teacher is required. See, let me open this and see, students. Beginning 1 or 2 days, I will explain what you need. Top programming languages. PYPL. So popularity of programming languages. Popularity of Python programming languages. Come to this. Here I'm going to write it. See, the Python is on the topmost usage. Python is the topmost usage. These are the popular usage in the companies. Come down. TIOB index, Python ranked number 1 language. Next is C, C++, Java, fourth. Python, PYPL around what? Worldwide. On and average they are taking. First language is what? Python. First language is Python. Next round is what? Java. Next is worldwide, that is Python in US. What is the first one? Python. See that how much percentage of that? 30.35. What is this? 12.42 Java. Next, PYPL index in India, Python you see. And next, Python in Germany, Python you see, 28.98. And Java you see, 13 point, almost going to, so much of deviation is there. And most of the projects are coming from different countries only to India. You know that. You know that. Next is called what? PYPL in United Kingdom. See that Python 28.46. Java you see 10 point. Next Python France. Python you see 28.8. Java you see 7.12. Being a Java professional, I'm showing that. It's a reality. It's not my website. Statistics Times. Such a beautiful language. We have to learn in systematically. Yesterday I shown. All systematically means what? Not like academics, learning theory and writing examinations that are over in colleges. What they will do? Yesterday I shown you hacker ranking examples. They give you the task. They will ask you to write the code. They don't ask you how while loop will work. Write a syntax for while loop. Write a flowchart for while loop. Write additionals. They don't ask. They will ask you what? They will ask the applications of while loop. That applications of while loop, you need to do that. That is called real time. Next, Python in France. See students, this is called the worldwide Python importance. Did you understand? Except India, rest of the places, how much deviation is there between Python and Java? In India, why that is? Still they are working on old projects only. And the coming days, only data science will be there, artificial intelligence will be there to do with all these applications what you need. Python is compulsory. Such a popular language, if you learn in any company, we can get the job. Understand the importance? Now, let us start. And the special advantage of this Python is, only one special advantage compared to other languages is, they won't look for your background verification. They won't look for your background, what you have done, 6 years gap, 7 years gap, what they did. They don't ask, because Python is a trending language now. Trending language now. The person who is working in Python maybe recently came last year or 2 years back, he started working. Understand this? So to get the job in the industry, even though you have some academic gaps, you need to improve your skill set. Skill set means you must be good in where? Writing the coding. Such a coding will be explained only through the faculty. That faculty must be having an industry knowledge and he must be a doctorate in the computer science. I said I'm a doctorate in computer science, PhD in computer science. Let me start. I shown you the reality, last and final. I'm writing here world class. I'm going to write world class software companies uses Python. The world class software companies uses Python. See that Python is used by Intel, IBM, Pixar, Netflix, Facebook, JP Morgan, Chase, Spotify. Let me open some image so that you'll be getting. You say this. I'll just open it. One big things here. Any image you take it. Any image you take it. This I will just open it here in the beginning of this. You just see this now. You see Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Reddit. These are all what? Big product-based companies. Wipro, TCS, HCL, that is not in list also. These are all called product-based companies. When product-based companies following, definitely project-based companies, without saying anything, they have to follow. Correct or not? So these are the software companies' rulers. Understand? This is what importance of Python. Using such Python programming, what are the real-time applications developed by using Python? Now I am explaining. What I worked on various applications I'm trying to show in the class. With a small coding, I want to make you to feel today what exactly Python is, how easy to learn the Python by knowing the origin of learning Python. I'm going to introduce today. Shall we start now? Have you seen the Python popularity? If somebody asks, why are you learning Python? You have to show what I explained. Now you need to start by learning Python on which type of applications I can start working. Now I am explaining. By using Python programming language, and some combined technologies, from combined technologies, we develop the following real-time applications. We develop the following real-time applications. What do you mean by real-time applications? The applications being developed in the software companies are called what? Real-time applications. Number one, I'm going to write almost students. I'm writing almost 20 plus real-time applications. I will write it. 20 plus real-time even if you permit me, I'll add 35 plus real-time applications. I will develop it. I will show you what I worked on it. I just want to write those explanations. I want to tell you those examples in the class. Okay, 5, 6. I just want to write a numbering so that you will not excite. 10, 11, and 12, and 13, and 14, and 15, and 16, and next is 17, and next is what, 17, and 18, and then 19, and then 20 plus applications I will tell you. Dear students, suppose you learned C language in your college. Of course, for first few days, I'll try to eat away your brain. Why? I want to show you what you lost by paying lakhs of rupees in your 22 years of education. You paid lakhs of rupees, but what you got it? Nothing. And I'm not criticizing anybody. If you started doing that, yesterday I asked a question, sin 90, how much? Sin 90, how many? 0.89. Those who are attending today, they are wondering, what is this 0.89? My sir said 1. But yesterday I shown you what is the reality. Sin 90, if I ask my B.Tech CS student, he will say 1. You might be forget already in 10th class or after intermediate. If I say, now if you come for an interview, sin 90, I will ask, you will say 1. I will never ask any further question. I will say, okay, I will call you later. But if we know reality, I'll open my laptop, I'll say the answer, I will type in my Python environment, I'll show this, see my answer. Even the interviewer don't know, he will learn. Yes, computer is the correct answer. A plus B whole square, everybody knows. But who knows proof? They are the real people who are eligible to work in the companies. Do you know? One of the most irritating question in software companies, Infosys question, prove that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Prove that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Will you prove it? Impossible. Impossible. But I will explain in the class. How do you do that? With the bitwise operators, I will explain. In C language, you will learn operators. But no faculty will explain about what? Operators. But I will explain. Plus minus, everybody will explain. Bitwise operators, nobody will explain. I am explaining in my class. Such a great content I am explaining. You see my regular sessions, 9 a.m. If we go to operators here, of course, operators here, there we have what? Especially bitwise operator, there is a lot of importance is there in the software companies. Lot of importance about the bitwise operators. In written test point of view, in doing the system test, lot of importance. Each and everything with a systematic, with a register configuration I am explaining. Sir, why are you showing in the middle of this content? Because by mistake, if you miss my class, By mistake, if you miss my class, at least you will explain, you will remember. If you are a sincere student, you will remember and you will expect the same thing from other place also. Of course, missing is bad luck. There is no doubt in that. So I will explain such type of different things in the class. Let me start now. Shall I start the application names? Right. Online students, I hope you are following me. Are you following, my dear students? Now, so notes I will send you after the class. Don't worry about the notes. And first you try to understand. By learning notes, by taking notes, you are not going to write immediately academic exams. Exam schedule is not given here. Task schedules are important. Now I'm going to start with the first thing. I'll take ample of time over there because I want to change your mindset from first point onwards. Number one, development of web applications. Development of web applications, the first and foremost important. This point I will take some ample of time. Development of web applications. Let me explain. Let me tell you, these web applications are nothing but what? Websites. Take an example of your college website. You have your college website or not? Suppose if you take Usmania University, Hyderabad, Telangana state, www.usmania.ac.in, www.jntu.ac.in, right or not? So www.nta.ac something online.com, NTA, JE mains they will conduct. These are all called what? Websites. To develop such a type of websites, Python is a number one programming language. Sir, already there are some languages are already there which are used for development of web applications. Then what is the beauty of Python programming all of a sudden? That is what I want to bring to your notice. Why Python is the first choice programming language for development of these web applications? I'm just talking about it. Dear students, already Java programming language is there. Java programming language, I'm writing carefully, try to listen now. This first point, if you understand, na, rest of the points are dead easy for you. Because in the first point, I am telling one important point today. That point is more than enough to change your life. It's going to change your lifetime now. Java programming language. Any language is most important in the individual software development. By using these programming languages, as on today, this programming language called Java, developed by Sun Microsystem, and it is a hand of INC USA. As on today, it is handed over to what? Oracle Corporation. Java programming language originally developed by Sun Microsystem, international company USA here, handed over by what? Oracle Corporation. Now Java is under the maintenance of what? Oracle Corporation now. So by using this Java programming language, there are some technologies are supposed to use it. What are those? Servlets, come on, next JSP, next is called Hibernate, next is called Spring, next is Spring, next is called Spring Boot, next is called Spring with microservices, Spring with microservices. These are all called what? Different type of things you need to learn it. Spring with what? Microservices, etc. For learning these many number of things, at least it will take 1.5 years. 1 year to 1.5 years it will take. You will go to 4 years to college, but 1.5 years you cannot learn most useful thing you cannot learn. 4 years we can go to college without knowing anything, but 1.5 years you cannot learn goods, useful things you cannot learn. Correct? Correct or not? Yes. Now, this is the most complicated as on today for the people. Most complicated for the people. It's the most complicated as on today people are feeling. If next one is called what? Second one, another competitor for Sun Microsystem people. Carefully listen. One is called what? C#.NET. C#.NET programming language. It is from where? Microsoft. It is from Microsoft, my dear students. It is from Microsoft. These people uses technologies very shortly in the further 1 or 2 classes. I'll give the differences between language and technology. What do you mean by language? What do you mean by technology? With the technologies, what we can do, with languages, what you can do. To learn any technology, language is compulsory. Without knowing language, technology, you can't learn at all. Spring, Starlets, anything you want to know, compulsory you must know Java. If you want to write English essay, what is compulsory? English is compulsory. English is like something like a Java, and English essay is something like that only. So Java language is compulsory for learning these technologies. Using Java, you can develop web application. Using C#.NET also, you can develop what? Web application. With which technologies? ASP.NET. ASP with microservices. ASP with what? Microservices. Like that, you will use in Microsoft technologies. These are the two. But all of sudden, what is coming into the picture? The most powerful language as on today. What is it? Python programming language. Python programming language. This was developed by Guido van Rossum, which is under the copyrights of what? Python Software Foundation. In the next class, I will show you the how to download Python software, how to install Python software. I will come. First, I will talk about the application development. Dear students, by learning this programming language, you need to learn some additional technology called what? Which is there in our full stack Python. What is it? Django. It is enough. Python with Django, one pair to become a web application developer. Python with a data science to become a data scientist, data analyzer. Yesterday, some set of roles I set. So Django. Next is called what? One more technology is also there. What is that? Flask. That is not in popular. Flask is not popular. Just I am writing. One more is called what? Bottle. One more is called what? Pyramid. And don't think that all these things need to learn, sir. These things not nice. Just I am writing that. And Django is a popular. Every company uses. If I learn Django and this one, it is more than enough. So there are 3 competitors are there in development of what? Web application. Sir, when 3 things are there in front of me, which one I am fit for and which one is the most popularly used, why it is taken as ranked number 1 in the industry? Can I show you one practical answer? Let's come to the point. Students, in the online, there are 3 things are there. There are 3 combinations are there to develop my web application. One is the Java programming related. One is the C#.NET related. One more is called what? Python route is there. Which route is the shortest route to become a successful person in the software industry? Now I am explaining about the importance of Python. Why Python is a popularity nowadays compared to these two. Let me take one example. Dear students, I'm taking one application. My requirement is, look at, I'm taking one requirement I'm writing, one code I'm writing today. My requirement is to generate month of a calendar. Month of a calendar. Are you following me? Month of a calendar. Example, in your mobile, calendar app is there or not? If you click on that calendar, what is open? Month. Month will open or not? After seeing the month, next what will be seen? What will be seen? Year also you can see or not? You can see week also you can see or not? How do you develop? Now, how do you develop that? And how can you put it into my mobile? That is what you have to learn in the class. That is called real time. Now, by using Java programming, if I want to implement that above task, by using Java programming, I have to write 25 lines of code. 25 lines of code, you will write it. And in C language, you never think of it also. Because our C language sir will say what? Sum of 2 numbers. reverse of a number, subtraction, multiplication. That time one star is showing answer. Oh, my star is super, you will say. You bring that star and you bring everybody. I'll ask what is the use of hash? Run away. Always learn real-time standards. Don't learn 1947 subject. Always try to be youth in the class. Okay, now? Right. Come on, students. 25 lines. Now coming to, by using what next? By using what next? C#.net. Online students. Carefully follow, guys. 25 lines of code, almost equal lines of code. But when I come to what? Python programming. Now we are coming to the ultimate part. I am going to write what? Just 2 lines of code. Sir, how beautiful it is. Will you write now 2 lines? Will you write 2 lines now? 2 lines. You felt very happy. But will you write now? People says Python is simple. Python is easy. You bring that person you bring once. I'll ask this question. Will they write Will they write or not? Come on, open your mouth, students. No internal marks. Try to make some comments. Is it easy? Can you write 2 lines? No. Who has to tell to write? This means compared to all the lines, Python slogan is what? Python says what? Less lines of code. Python slogan is what? Less lines of code. Less lines of code. And gives what? More meaning. More meaning to the application. This is a slogan of Python, students. Sir, can you show the 2 lines of code now itself, sir? Yes, that is what I want to show. Because I want to support my explanation only through coding. I don't want to tell theoretical answers. I want to support my explanation. I want to tell only real-time context. Where I come on the desk, only with the coding only I will speak. Sin theta formula, nobody will ask. Sin theta applications will come in IIT, JEE mains, MSET, all those things. Nobody will ask sin theta formula. Nobody will ask how many digits are there. Using the digits, they will get questions in physics, maths, everywhere else. Applications you learn. Don't learn theory, my dear students. This is what I am suggesting to you. First, please apply that on my class. Please expect applications. First, you apply on me. Later, you apply on other classes. This is my advice to every student of mine. Can I show you now? Now, see, 2 lines of code is easy to write. 25 lines of code is easy to write. That means which one you are feeling more easy and more simplicity. So, if my SAR will tell what? 2 lines of code, that 2 lines of code will make me to feel proud of it. And Python is the #1 language. Come to the point of it. Now I am writing one beautiful thing. Sir, how to develop my Python applications? Generally, most of the people will try to explain the coding of Python in Notepad. They will explain. Most of them will explain in Notepad. Now I am explaining my Python software in real time. We will follow PyCharm. It is the IDE. One more IDE. I am using Atom. I will tell you in the class. Next, I will use a Jupyter notebook because in our data science classes we are using. Next is called a VS Code. I am going to tell you on VS Code, Visual Studio Code. I am going to tell you this on simple one. That is the first level. You are the playgroup student. I'll show you in where ideally, Python ideally. Today, beginning, I'll show you on where Jupyter notebook only. And right now, don't worry, students, for my high-end efficiency purpose, I'm showing on Jupyter notebook. What is the Jupyter notebook? I will explain pin to pin. I will explain to you. Pin to pin means what? Like day one, when you went to the school, your teacher has taken your hand, like that in front of me to my eyes. You look like me, like a LKG student only. Even though you are 23 years, 2 minus 3 is called what? 1 year old only. You are looking like you are looking like to me like that only. So coming to the point back, why? Because I want to make you #1 in my subject. That is my intention. That's what I said. Minute to minute, hour to hour, you monitor my explanation. I said, take a selfie at 4:21 and take a selfie at 5:45. See the glow in your face. Daily you do that, I said. Show to your parents, this is my status. Why this glow here? Why this is dull here? Because subject is injected in the body. Daily I am saying, end of the class also, observe this I am saying. This I will tell every day because I am the number one, which I am speaking you only through Python subject. Let us come to the point. Import. Today I am writing something. I'll explain what is that. Calendar, import calendar as a C, as KVR, print KVR dot month of. You don't worry about the coding. Today you see how simple the Python is. 2024 is called what? Year. That you if you understand now, it is enough. What is the month here? Third month. Now, third month. What is coming? What is coming, ma? Is it third month coming or not? How many lines? You try in C language. Impossible. Ask that question to our sir also. Sir will switch off the phone when you ask that question. You try in Java, C#.NET, minimum 25 lines of code you need to write. Now here, I used one type of module called what? Calendar. Calendar is called what? One module. I will tell you that. Next up, I want to see one more time I am printing it. One more time. You don't worry about it. Don't ask me, sir, what is KVR and all. You don't worry. I'm taking it as an alias name for what? Calendar. For example, your name is what? Krishna Mohan. The people of the parents of the Krishna Mohan will call it the Krish. What is that Krish? Is called a shortcut. Alias name. You have your shortcut names now? Shortcut names are there in your home or not? That is nothing but alias name, even in programming also. Now I want to go for what? 1947, our freedom fighting day, I want to print. August month, 1947, we got a freedom or not? 8th month, that is called August. See that this is coming like this. Are you following? Are you getting, students? What is this is called? Generating a month in Python is easy or difficult? Now you take Google Forms, you take it. Google, Gmail, you take it. When you are going to sign up as a user, are you entering the date of birth or not? What is showing? Calendar month is opening or not? How to develop that calendar in Python? Using this type of coding. Python is simple or difficult? Compared to Java, C#.NET, Python is easier or difficult? When I decided to develop my website in real time tomorrow, which language I will prefer? Python. What is the beauty behind that? Less lines of code gives more meaning. That is what is called a feature of the industry. Industry will not give an award for you when you write 25 lines of code. Industry will give an award for you when you write less lines of code, more meaning. If you write, they are minimizing lot of time. They are getting more profits. Are you getting my point? Total year I want to print. Total year I want to print. Total year. My dear students, please follow me. Print of KVR dot calendar of 2024 I want to print. 2024. What is the 2024? Total calendar. See, my dear students, 2024 calendar. First month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, seventh month. All the months are coming. Then how to develop this, sir? How can I keep it in my mobile? How to develop this application? How to keep it in my mobile? Interesting or not? How to develop this code? If I want to develop my website, what is the beauty behind that? One more example I want to say. I want to send one OTP to your cell. One OTP I want to say. One SMS I want to say. Sit properly. I want to send one OTP. I want to send one SMS. How to write the Python code? Will you write kilometers of code? Will you write 100 lines of code? You try for OTP in Java, you need to write minimum 50 lines of code. In Python, you ask me, I will write just 2 lines. And don't expect everything 2 lines. I want to say what? One emoji symbol I want to develop it. Emoji symbol I want to develop it. Emoji symbols. In your mobile, emoji symbols are there or not? In my class, I am explaining emoji concept also. How to generate the emoji symbols? Because I want to take you to the product level companies. Product level companies, I want to develop it. So where are you explaining that emoji symbols, sir? I am going to say, look at 11 a.m. There is a topic name called what? Emoji concept. Observe it. Emoji concept I am explaining. Print emoji using Python. Emoji symbols I am using. See some heart symbols and see some hibiscus symbol. How to develop it? How to keep it in my application? From where I will get these emoji symbols? This is called real time learning, addition of two numbers or subtraction of two. This is already gone. 1947, it is gone. So coming to the point about the beauty behind writing less lines of code. Code, let me go. One more example I want to show. Are you able to get it? One more example. For example, ultimate code, I will say, ultimate coding. In C programming, I want to calculate the square root of what? 25. What you will use? You will use a header file called what? Math.h. And you will say what now? SQRT of what? SQRT of what? 25 you will say. And you are getting what? 5.0. Correct or not? In Java also, there is a math class is there. There is a SQRT function is there. 5.0 is coming. In Python also, SQRT is there. You will get 5.0. Perfect. Now my question is, it is an open question for everybody. You can try, take 20 days time, ask anybody and come with a solution. It is an open question to everybody. How do you calculate my square root of minus 25? How do you calculate square root of minus 25 in C language? Open question. Take anybody help. Come with a solution. You cannot come. 20 days I am giving the time. Java, you cannot do. You cannot do. In Python, you can just write in where? 2 lines. Negative square roots. What is the answer? Come on, complex numbers. Beautiful. Complex numbers. Where you learned? In 10th class only, 8th class only. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is that? Quadratic equation. Calculating the roots of the quadratic equation, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Square root of b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. Discriminant greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. Is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Less than 0, roots are imaginary. Imaginary things are nothing but a complex number. Complex number supporting is not there in C language, Java, C#.NET. In Python, you have what? Complex numbers. Complex number concept is not there in C language and Java. Then Python you come. Now I am going to write it. Import what? Math. What is the math? C math I will take it. C math stands for what? Complex math. Now I am going to write it. Print of, don't worry about it. Math dot. SQRT of what? Minus 25. The answer is coming what? Sorry, what is this now? SQRT. SQRT, you say, what is the answer? 5J. 5J, that is called what? J is equal to what here? Square root of minus 1. I will explain the complex numbers in deep of it. How the complex numbers are useful in my Python programming. How it is useful in my data science. What is the use of complex numbers in my real time? I'll explain. I want to generate OTP. 3-digit OTP now, 4-digit OTP now, 5-digit OTP now. When I'm going to sign up as a new user, when I'm going to use some security purpose, Gmail also verification code is coming or not? How to generate that? Look at students. Import random as or, random as or, random as or. Print of or dot rand int of 1000 comma something like 999 I said comma 10,000 I say 10,000 I say. You are going to get it what? Random. So random DOM random as or. Now you say here, what is that? One random number will come, 4-digit random number will come. You run it once again here, 4-digit random number will come. You say once again here, 4-digit random number will come. Can you expect OTP? Can you expect what OTP? Come on, guys. Expect. What OTP comes, can you expect? Suppose you are uploading one application, student. You want to give your credit card number or debit card number you are giving. One OTP will come or not? Do you know that OTP already? That means it is going to get like this. I want to generate the 5-digit OTP. I want to generate the 5-digit OTP. I will write a 10,000 to what? Something like I am writing something like this. See that my OTP is called something like this. You just go for like this. This entire thing is called what? See that now. What is this entire task is called? Whatever I said, are they much useful kind of things in real time or not? Capture code I want to generate. When I'm downloading my Aadhaar card, is it asking some capture code or not? How to generate the capture code? Write a Python program for that. One of the most beautiful. How do you generate the QR code? QR code, how do you generate? These are the examples I'm going to tell you. These are called real-time tasks. This is only beginning. I'm talking just a beginning. Go to the place. Now I'm going to take up. In this place, go to the place. Here I'm going to say something like that. Somewhere else, there is a code is required. There is something is required. In some parts of it, you need to go know what. Emoji symbols also. There is some coding I am going to explain in the classes. Are you able to follow now? So tell me, go to the place now. I'm going to say Python is going to say what? How many lines I am writing? 2 lines. It is going to contain what? Less lines of code and more meaning. Sir, this slogan is coming because of what? Now I am writing one beautiful point now. Because of rich set of, I am writing one wonderful word, rich set of libraries are present in Python. Rich set of libraries. Let me talk about a word called libraries. Rich set of word I will talk. Just I will write here libraries. Library. First of all, let me speak about the word called library. This is the word in C language. What do you mean by library? Built-in, predefined. Already they are available in the language. They are known as what? Library. In C language, my dear students, in C language, we have libraries. Libraries of C language are called, libraries of C language are called, libraries of what? C language are called header files we can call, header files we can call. In C language, there are 256 header files are there. But your SAR taught how many? stdio.h, conio.h, math.h, string.h, 4. How many are there? Actually 256. 256 minus 2 minus 4. How many you don't know? 252 you don't know. Who will give job for you? What you learn? Total theory you learn. Diagram, concept, notes. Because of that, 0 marks also will not come. So if you know more libraries, what you can do? More number of problems easily you can solve or not? Libraries means what? Already developed. Why? Though they are the tools where person can learn it. They will use in real-time task. Best example, you completed MBBS. You're an intelligent student. You learned so many medicine knowledge, so much of medicines you know. A patient is coming with a problem. Will you shoot that problem with your medicine knowledge or not? Why? Because you know more medicines. Are you preparing the tablet or already tablets are prepared? Already tablets are prepared. If you know the tablet name, will you solve that problem or not? Suppose you did not completed MBBS properly. Friends, WhatsApp, YouTube, that, etc. What you did? Not you passed, but you feel that everybody who is completing MBBS, you will feel that is a doctor. And don't think that every doctor is a super hit doctor. Like that, many B.Tech students, all of them are not software engineers. So what happens? He completed this side or that side. Only, 3 tablets. For every patient, same tablet only. Out of that, what will happen? One day that patient will say, don't go to the doctor. So a doctor without patient, doctor is a patient. And finally, he is becoming what? Doctor without medicines. It's called Shankar Dada MBBS. You know the movie name. He will do different operations that time. Are you following what I'm talking? A software engineer want to become, you need to know what first. Library must be known. In C language, libraries are called what? Header files. In C++, C++ libraries are called what? Libraries of C++ are called what, also called as what? Header files only. Header files only. Some people can call it as what, namespaces also they can call. Namespaces also they can call. C language is better. They'll say 4 header files. When you come to C++, they'll teach only one header file, iostream.h. After that, nothing. There are 556 are there. Out of 556, only iostream.h. After that, 556 minus 1, 555 you don't know. Who will give job for you? Students, think about it. When you started thinking about looking at back, everything is dark only. But money gone, everything dark. What to do? That's why teacher is an important. Next, coming to Java, libraries of Java are called I am writing here packages. Packages, they are called packages. And now Python I am coming. Python libraries are called modules. Python libraries are called, when you come to this place, my dear students, here if you come, libraries of Python are called what? Modules. Spell out once. Modules. So many number of modules I will tell you, students. So many. Unlimited number of modules. So many number. The moment I come on the dais, I'll tell you the module compulsory. So many modules. Even you will not remember that many modules I will tell you. Are you able to follow? So why Python is popular nowadays? Because of Python is containing so many number of modules. So to become an ultimate person in Python, what is the main pillar for you? Learning about what? Modules. More modules if I learn, writing the code is easy or difficult? More tablets knowledge if you know, is it easy to treat the patients or not? More modules if I know, it is easy to write the code. Today, what are the modules I wrote it? Python write less lines of code and gives more meaning because of what? Rich set of what are present. Modules are present in where? Modules are present in where? Python. As on today, Python is only the language which contains so many number of modules for data science, artificial intelligence, Power BI, Salesforce, Azure, cloud, AWS, DevOps, machine learning, deep learning, gaming purpose, audio, video purpose. I'll tell you so many examples for you. Are you able to understand my point? So Python is called what? Ranked number one language because of what? Less lines of code, more meaning will come. To write less lines of code, more meaning is only possible because of what? Modules. So tell me for my satisfaction, learning Python is equal to learning about what? Modules. That's all. Learning about C language is equal to learning about header files. Did you learn? No. What do you learn? C diagram, C concept, theory, written exams, marks came, memo came, knowledge, zero. Python, the moment when you go to industry, they will ask immediately, they will give task for you. The task to solve it, modules knowledge is required. Correct or not? Are you following? If a patient is coming to the doctor, he is having fever. If you tell fever concept, if you say, he will get more fever. If we give tablet immediately, you will sort it out. You will solve it. Am I correct or not, students? So tell me, students, if you are learning any softwares, you have to learn what? Libraries. That faculty only you have to join. If you say anybody says theory, now we should not join there. Now tell me, Python is easy or difficult? Because Python provides more modules. I want to generate one emoji symbol. Immediately think, what do you need? Module. What is the name of the module? Emoji. Tell me. Emoji. I want to develop the random number. What is the module? Random. I want to develop a mathematical operations. What is the module? Math module. I want to develop complex mathematical operations. What is the module? C math. I want to generate a calendar kind of application. Calendar. So tell me some module names. Calendar, math, C math, random, emoji, OS module, CSV module. These are so many modules I'm telling. I want to communicate with Oracle. I want to communicate with the MySQL modules. The moment when I come on the desk, module. Doctor, tablet. Without tablet, doctor will become patient. Same thing. Why people are not getting jobs in the software industry? Because they don't know libraries. C language you learn. Do you know any libraries? You know only 8 functions. Printf, scanf, CLR, SCR, SQRT, getch, strlen, strcmp, strcpy, strcat. 9 functions only you know. Total C language over. But Dennis Ritchie, who is the father of C, has given lakhs of functions in C language. But you know how many? 9. Such a poor student you are. Yes or no? In Python, I'll tell you some lakhs of functions to you. That is the reality of the subject. Understand, students? So tell me, learning Python is simple or difficult? Provided the SAR has to explain what? Modules. Tell me, that is what is the word I am expecting. Go to back. I am expecting now. Tell me now, development of what? You can develop by using what? Java programming. And also you can develop by using. Which one is the most preferable in the software industry now? Because Python provides more number of modules. There you can write less lines and more meaning. That is what is the beauty I want to bring in the class. That is what I am expecting in the class. Less lines of code, more meaning. That is what I want to bring to you in the first day of the class. So here I am writing the beauty behind of Python. Python always says what? Always says what? Come on, ma. Less lines of code, more meaning, because Python provides what? Rich set of modules are present into Python. So learning Python is equal to, now I am writing here. Come on, ma. Learning Python is equal to, come on. Learning about what? Modules. Learning about modules. Now I am going to tell you learning about modules. And do you know one of the open secret, students? You know SQRT. Have you seen SQRT, how it is available in C language? No. Our sir will not show documentation because they themselves don't know. Yesterday, when system.out.println, somebody said system is something, out is something, I immediately opened the documentation or run. How to open the documentation? When you are working in real time, if you get some syntax error, I will see what originally, how it is available internally. That is the way to handle the real time projects. You have to see what? Documentation. I will explain the total Python coding with a documentation. And even if you struck up at one place, how to come out of that issue, how to solve that issue, I'll show the documentation for you. Are you following? That means how a student can learn self-learning skills after learning certain things in the class. How can you build your career by yourself? The type of techniques also I will go for it. That is what is called what? How to build your logic development skills, logic thinking skills, how to enhance your logic thinking skills. I'm going to explain in the class. Are you able to follow now? So first itself is enough. This itself is more than enough. First day, I'll talk about only one point. Development of web application is actually 3 competitors are there. Which competitor is an ultimate now? Because we are writing what? Less lines of code and gives what? More meaning. It is because of what? Rich set of modules present in where? And so many modules I'm going to tell you. And learning Python is equal to what? Learning about the modules. Are you following, students? Such modules, who has to tell? Faculty has to tell. That faculty must work in the companies on various projects. Then only that faculty can tell in the modules. If you take from academic kind of person, they don't tell anything. They will teach like a C language. That's why in Amirpet, they will say Python in 1 month. A B.Tech student will think what? 4 years is over. Now they are exciting. Python in 1 month. Definitely they will go and join there. 1 month Python is over. After 31st, they are expecting job. Never get the job. Why? 4 Sundays will come. I'm telling the calculation. 2 minutes. 4 Sundays will come. 30 days minus 4 days. 26 days. You are absent for how many days? Huh? No, don't laugh. Serious. How many days? How many? How many? 5 days. 1 day. 1 day. Okay, you are not absent. Assume that you are a sincere student. 26 days I am keeping. Sorry is absent how many days? Generally, according to your time, according to how many? 2 day, 1 day, for example. Okay, 1 day or 2 day. That also I'm not taking. A person like me, I never, of course, with God grace, I don't take the leave. For example, I don't take the leave from last 2 months onwards. If any festival season is there, if institute announced holiday, I may be taking. Right. Let's pray that I should not take leave. So Don't take leave. 26 days. Birthday, something is there, all these things. 26 days you keep it. And sir will take every person in every institute, they will take only 1 hour. 1 hour only they will take. Please test it everywhere. 10 minutes late they will come. 10 minutes early they will go. 40 minutes into 26 days, Python is over. And you will pay the fees. And after that fees is over, you will 1 month is over. You will remember what? Fees only you will remember. You will not remember the content. Finally, if you go to interview, what will happen? You cannot open your mouth also because they will teach everything is something which is not at all useful to you. I am teaching you perfectly this entire Python, what is going on in industry. That's why download IIT syllabus, triple IT syllabus, NIT syllabus, and compare my thing, etc. And you see that my syllabus is 60%, 70% more than everybody. Like that I designed. Up to date content I prepared in my curriculum. I am taking my duration of this Python programming is 90 sessions I will take. That is a 3 months I will take this Python, total Python. Python full stack, no, only Python. The total Python, no. I am talking about this entire things. 3 months. 1 month also I can take. What I will do? I'll do sixers, sixers, sixers. Finally, you are the one. Your money is important. Your parent dreams are important. Let me discuss so deep where no person can enter into that and they cannot see that our notes is something. Our notes is just 75% more than everybody. Like that, I'll give the perfect and elegant notes for you where it can enhance your skills like anything. Understand, students? If I complete the syllabus so early, who is a loser, ma? You think about it. You only think about it. You are the loser or not? If I discuss so deeply, definitely you are getting more content. I don't discuss outside things in my class, even for less than even 1 minute also it is 15 seconds. If anybody sleep in my class, I will just wake up and I will call on the dais. On the dais, I will call. Compulsory. Anybody sleeps? Compulsory. In my class, you are 1 year kid only. That's all. If you sleep in my class, you are on the dais. Compulsory. That I will do in all my classes. And this is only the class which contains 500 students above in my class, both offline and online. My class is only containing and all other classes of same institute also. Less than 100, 150 like that only. My class only will contain that many number of students. Okay, na? Why they will come like that? Why that may strength? Because of ultimate subject I am only giving for you. Okay, students, clear? So duration is clear. So by completing 4 years of engineering, what you have done? What you have done? Nothing done. Even paper also is not tearing with your knowledge. So dear students, think about you and then notes link purpose. Outside, we kept the scanner for offline students. You scan it, you'll get my notes. And today, I'll just post these notes. Only this part, small thing only I discussed it. Tomorrow class, I will complete the rest of the applications. Because I want to take today, I want to put your mind what? This formula. Learning Python is equal to learning about? Yes. Now, Vishal Kumar, my lap is old i5 8th generation. Okay, my dear student, Vishal, no problem, my dear student. i5 8th generation, no problem. It will work out. I'll tell you how to do the practicals in the class. Myself will tell you the class. If you bring the laptops to my class, you are number one student. Number one, bring your laptops to the class. We'll do hands-on practicing. Every day I will show my coding. You also bring laptops, open it, make something new trend. Node learn theory, everything programming, bring laptops. I will do, you also do. If error comes, I will tell you how to rectify the errors by yourself. Need not to call friend, come here, I'm getting error like our college. He will say, you come, I have an error. Both of them are having error. Nobody is solving the error. That is end. If person like me coming to your college as an examiner, he will show the HD cinema for you. Because I will ask total coding only. Are you fail or not? Compulsory fail. Who will ask questions to you theory? So they will ask only coding. Okay now? So I'll stop my class. Tomorrow I will continue my sessions from where? Second onwards, second application onwards. Are you following my students? Compared to yesterday, today? Higher or not? Tomorrow, much higher, much higher, much higher. I'll stand you on the peaks. If you look at that, One thing is the MNC will be visible. Like the daily you compare your performance and tell to the friends, let them attend the class. Tomorrow I'll continue this type of applications. Rest of the applications I'll discuss. Right? So some student, some baswa. What is the difference between technology and language? My dear student, everything I will tell you, don't expect everything in one moment. Don't expect everything in one moment. Because of 4 years, sir did not say anything. Here in 3 months, I'll make you diamond, not gold. Diamond I will prepare. I said already. Remember my word. Provided 3 conditions required. I'll stop my class. Tomorrow, we'll join at the same time, 4 o'clock, and we'll start learning. Okay, now? So, did you understand today lecture? And the notes link is there outside. You capture it. And this part only I will say, tell you today. And don't think that, sir, why gaps are there. That gaps I will write tomorrow also. I will continue my session. Online students, those who are having the gap of that, those who are having the doubt, you please hold on. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you, students. So, Nirakar Behra, you hold on. I'll clarify the doubt of every student. Thank you, students. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Tell to the friends if anybody is there. Advance of Python, database also, MySQL and MongoDB. Sorry, yeah. But are you as a software engineer, will you worry about the slow? Suppose bike is there. Gear bike is there, Activa is there. Which vehicle is most visible in the Hyderabad or your city? Activa. Activa will give less mileage or not compared to gear bike. Why everybody prefer gearless? Comfortability is important. So nobody will bother about nowadays about mileage. Nobody bother about the speed. They bother about, and don't think that speed is called, that is a old sentence what you are saying. In Python 3.12, it is almost equal to Java related speed. Python 3.0, in the versioning, I will explain that. Okay. Students in the online, those who are having the doubts, one by one, I will clarify, my dear students. Praveen, online students, I am clarifying your doubts one by one, my dear students. Please hold on. When I call your name, please accept my request, accept my unmute option, then you count. Praveen, student name is Praveen. So he's not taking up. Next, Harika. Harika.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Sir, you mentioned that there are 256 header files in C language, right? So how many modules are there in Python, sir, approximately?
That's what, ma. There are so many number of modules are there. More than 30,000 modules are there, which are working in different type of modules, different places. In
Okay.
AWS modules are there, Power BI modules are there, artificial intelligence modules are there, machine learning modules are there, and deep learning modules are there. So many number of modules are there.
Okay. So how many modules gonna cover in this 3 months
See,
duration,
ma,
sir?
that's what I'm saying. Now, suppose if you are learning Python, the
Yeah.
Python course is suitable for all sorts of fields in the software industry. Like when you go for a doctor, you are going for different specializations, correct or not?
Yeah.
Suppose if you go for cardiology, there you are going to get the medicines related to cardiology only, and you are not worrying about other kind of specialization, correct or not?
Yeah.
Same manner, What are all the modules are available in different areas of Python programming, which are working on very frequent jobs? That modules I'm going to cover in the Python class.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. Next student, Satish Kumar. Satish Kumar. Next, Syed Mohammed. Syed Mohammed.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Syed. Please tell me.
Sir, I just wanted to know, will this class will be regularly at 4 p.m.?
Yes, ma'am. This is a class scheduled for 4 to 6 because it's a
Okay.
second day na. It is a second day na. That's why
Okay.
little small time I will take and I will start the session. Okay, na?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Right. Next student, Nirakar. Nirakar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, actually, I want to know after the completion of the course, is there any opportunity to do on the real-time project?
Real-time project in the sense, Nirakar, if you understand me, real-time project in the sense, the project which is background sound is coming from your side. So much of background sound disturbance. Real-time
No, sir.
project. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell.
You also keep your concentration. Suppose the project which is going on in Wipro, and if the Wipro related project, if they explain in the class, that is called real-time project. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
That project, no kind of training division will explain in their classes because no person will allow you to tell this project in the classes. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But we will tell you in my explanation, I already said in the class, we will tell you the real-time applications which was already there in our projects, which we already used it. That type of things we are going to explain in the classes. Okay, now?
Then, sir, how that means you can practice?
That's what I'm saying now. The cases which are used in real time, those kind of examples will be discussing in the class.
Okay. And how many projects will be provided?
That's what I'm saying. Every topic wise, I already written here. I already written it. I already written. Okay, now? Every
Okay, sir.
topic wise case studies will be discussing so that the student will do good things in the project level. Okay, my dear student?
And is that end-to-end project, sir?
Amma?
Actually, is that end-to-end project till deployment level?
That's what I'm saying now. Every topic wise, the sense you can understand. You can understand. Point to point will be explained. Okay?
Okay. But sir, currently I'm attending online, but I want to join offline.
No problem. For
But
offline, online, you decide it and try to come to that if you are interested. Okay? Lot of background sound is coming, man. Nirakar. Next student, I will take. Another student, I will take. Shaker E. Shaker E.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Shaker, please.
Yeah, actually, my background is from C, C++. I'm planning to upskill my to like Python, but uh, I have quick confusion regarding like data science and Python.
Hmm.
Just I am like confusing like which I need to take first, like full stack Python or like do I need to take the data science?
That's what. Are you fresher?
No, sir. I have experience.
That better is you learn Python module completely and plan for data science.
You mean to say like full stack Python first and then?
That's what. If you want
But
to go to data science, listen
Mhm.
again. If you want to go to data science, complete your module 1. Only Python programming you learn and the next plan for data science. No need to learn other things.
But actually here I am looking for the like a frameworks Django also, sir.
No problem. That time you go for that Django module 3. That time you have to learn database also. So 3 modules you are getting. Only 2 modules left out. You learn that also.
That's what I, okay, sir. But in data science, they will teach this Python also, right?
They will teach Python. Why they will teach Python? Because Python is teaching in here only now. They will teach Python in 10 days only.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay, now?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Next student is another student. I'll take it as Vinela.
Hello.
Tell me,
Good.
ma'am.
Sir, actually, I completed my graduation, sir.
Okay.
I'm seeking the job as a fresher. Is module 1 is enough to get the job, sir?
No, ma'am. Module 1, no, this is a job-oriented course. Completely you have to learn. All the modules you have to learn. Full stack Python, if you want to complete, then only you'll get the job. First module Python, UI modules, web frameworks, and then databases. Everything you have to learn it.
Okay, sir.
Because this is a skill set required to get the job. To get the job in the industry, multiple skills are required.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, ma'am. Next student, Manikanta. Manikanta.
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. How
Manikanta,
are you?
please. Yeah, fine, Manikanta, please.
Yeah, actually, I have career gaps, sir. Actually, almost I have 10 years career gap.
Okay.
So I was preparing for the group 1 examinations in Andhra Pradesh. So that's
Okay.
the reason I have to, I didn't get the job. So I want to move in the IT sector. So I don't know how to move the IT sector. I want to looking for the Python and is it necessary, sir, how to learn the all modules on the only
Yeah,
Python and focus?
no. You are having almost 10 years, Manikanta. So you have to learn full stack Python completely. Or you do one thing. You learn module 1. Better my advice for you, 10 years gap is there. You complete
Yes.
module 1 completely Python and learn data science. So it is a good career for you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, ma'am?
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Next, Farhana Khan. Farhana Khan.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Good evening.
Good evening, ma. Good evening. Tell
Sir,
me.
I have a doubt. Actually, due to some reasons, for 1 month, I want to continue online. After 1 month, I want to go offline. Is it possible, sir?
No problem, ma. No problem. You are permitted. No issue. You can come.
And sir, one more doubt. UI technology is now recently going on, like Prasad sir taking. But you told now you will provide like you. So
I will
you
tell
will.
you. I will tell you the roadmap. Let us not to attend in the beginning multiple things. You later
Okay,
you
sir.
go for it. Later you go for it. Beginning only. Don't attend all the things. I'll tell you the roadmap in the class. First you start learning Python. Later I will tell you how to learn UI technologies. Right now,
Okay,
don't worry
sir.
about it.
Okay, sir. So now I should go only this your class only.
First to start with this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
And sir, one more doubt. Your next batch when starts, sir?
That you contact from admin. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next student is Piyush. Piyush.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Good
Piyush,
evening.
please. Yeah, good evening, Piyush.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have completed my BSc in computer science
Okay.
in 2020, and then after I have joined Primus as a technical support engineer, which I have completed more than 3 years over here.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. I'm actually like I'm interested in learning Python to enhance my career growth. Since
Exactly.
since I don't see my opportunities for advancing current role as a technical support engineer.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering which Python module would be more beneficial for me. Like,
Yeah. Okay. As far as your things is concerned, my dear student, you learn complete full stack Python
okay,
so that it will be helpful to you in getting very good job, and your career enhancement also can be taking place.
okay,
Okay,
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
right, right. Next student, Sharma. Sharma.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me now.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I am a final year student,
Okay.
and I want to join offline class,
Mm.
and I also need help to get a job in. I am interested in AI and data science. So, how can I get?
To learn that, to if your interest is to go for data science, so obviously Python coding is required now.
Yes, sir.
So first module 1 is required for you
Yes,
to
sir.
learn it. Module 1 is required to learn it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sir, also I need help to get a job
That's
as
what
I
I'm
am
saying.
fresher now.
See, helping getting a job, it depends on you how well you will read that. Nobody will help you to get the job. In software field, no such things. If you upskill by yourself, then only job will come. If you don't read well, if you don't practice, nobody will give you the job. That is 100%. You have to upskill by yourself. You
Yes,
have to
sir.
read well. Then only we can get the job without any influence or something. Okay, now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Next, Srinivas B. Srinivas B.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Srinivas.
Actually, currently I'm working as a DevOps engineer.
Good.
Means, yeah, actually, means I'm started to means to change my role into the DevOps and sorry the Python, but currently I'm looking to help with the DevOps as well. In the DevOps, okay, we are using the Python scripting as well, right?
Yes, scripting you are using, yes.
Yes. Means whatever the this coaching, okay, it will help to improve the scripting knowledge on the DevOps level.
100% AWS, scripting, Azure, you can do that. And more than that, you can do it. You can learn cloud technologies also, cloud related things. Why can't you shift to data science, Srinivas?
No, no. Currently, I'm working. Means I'm planning to work as a full stack developer.
That's what.
Yeah.
Good.
So the Python, okay, I'm planning for the in the future. Means actually the means I started. Okay, maybe it's a, after 6 months or 1 year, maybe it will go.
Yes.
Right. Whatever the Python, the core Python, it will help in the my DevOps career.
Yes, 100%. See, all the DevOps engineers and AWS engineers required in writing scripting. You need scripting. Core Python
Yes.
is required for them to learn it.
Okay, means whatever the course you means the content you have right because okay, I think yesterday I didn't join. Sorry, yeah, yesterday.
Mm.
It's have the it's contain the course content related to the this scripting as well.
That's what I'm saying, Srinivas. Your core Python is more than enough for getting the scripting. Same question you are asking again and again.
Okay, that is enough.
More than enough, I'm saying.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Shubham, I called that Satish 2 times, 3 times, and he did not respond. Again and again, if he say, we are not responsible for that. Satish,
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
I called 2 to
Hello.
3 times.
Sir, sorry, at that time that my
If I
device
call,
is not
there
worked.
are so not worked means 2 to 3 times will not give an opportunity because other students are waiting now. One student
Oh,
calling
oh,
again and again, it is a problem for us. Once if I call, you have to
okay.
ready to take the call. Okay, tell me what is your doubt.
Okay. Sir, my requirement is I am a stock
And
market
your
trader.
mic is also giving breaking. And this is a time waste for us. Tell me what is your problem now.
I
Shubham,
am a stock
I
market
called
trader.
I
So
called
I would.
that I called this Satish Kumar 2 to 3 times earlier, and you are recommending to that candidate and give the mic again. I already said called 2 to 3 times. Tell me, Satish Kumar.
Sir, my requirement is I am a stock market trader. So I would like to develop the algos with using of the Python. So is this course suitable for my requirement?
Yes, this course is suitable for hundreds of Python coding wherever it is coming. This Python is the most suitable. That's what I'm saying. This Python I'm telling 3 months with the ultimate coding in trading level, in cloud level. This Python is so useful. My Python programming with this deep knowledge, you can work on any field, investment banking and in trading level, in financial related things. in micro level financing, in insurance domain, in everywhere else you can use it. In automation level, all the places this Python coding I am teaching. Okay now?
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Thanks.
Next, Venkat CH.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So module 1 is enough for data engineer.
Speak properly, my dear student. If you speak very slowly, I am not getting you.
Okay, module 1 is enough for data engineer.
100%. Data engineer, there you are getting Databricks, and CSV are getting Excel sheets you are getting. This is required.
Okay, I am new for this programming language, so no problem.
No problem. Even B.Tech CSE students who completed, they don't know even single term of their C language and everything. They are also new to this area. And if you are working hard, and I already suggested here, if you are doing well about this entire thing, you will learn everything.
Okay, today is my first class.
No problem, no problem. You will get everything perfectly, no issues about it. Okay, now?
Thank you very much.
Right. Okay, students, my timing is over. I have a next class. I'm going to discuss about, I'm having next class, and any other doubts regarding to your things, I'll clarify in the next class, because my next session time is about to start. Tomorrow class will join with the same link, and any other doubts regarding your career and all, tomorrow I'll clarify. Thank you. All the best.